Are you tired of dating? Are you tired of that friendship or relationship? Please, this video is for you. I want to disclose 3 reasons why she is dating you. Maybe what you expect from her is not what you are seeing, and yet both of you are dating, but nothing is working the way you want. So if you want to know the reason why she is still dating you, this video is for you. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the reason, 3 reasons why she is dating you. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If today is your first time to come across this channel, join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell anytime I upload video concerning men, natural ways to keep men, dating and relationship advice for both men and women. You will get notified of my new upload. Now, if you are dating a lady and what you expect is not what you are seeing, she is dating you, yet someone who is not dating is the same thing as you, or you are like someone who is not dating but you are dating. Yes, there are reasons why she is still onto you, and I want to disclose 3 reasons why she is dating you. Number 1 is that it may be money. Yes, money may be the reason why she is dating you. She may have someone else, but you are the one who gives more money. That will be the reason why she is dating you, and she is dating you because of that money, yet she is not giving you what you want, and that is why she keep coming to you. And also that is the reason why you are not getting what you want, because inside her she don't genuinely love you and she is still dating you. It is because of your money, your catch. That is why she is dating you. Number 2 is frustration. Yes, what is frustration? Frustration is when someone is handicapped, unable to reach his or her target, unable to get what he or she wants in life. That person may be frustrated. So if a lady is frustrated, maybe she experienced heartbroken, she is disappointed by someone she loves, and she may come to you to use you to console herself. That is why she is dating you. So she is dating you out of frustration. If she genuinely loves you, she may not be doing things that makes you uncomfortable or make you to feel like whether is she really into you. So she is dating you out of frustration. Now, the 3rd reason why she may be dating you may be that she is in love with you. That is, she has a genuine love, but she is very stubborn. Yes, there are some ladies that are stubborn. Sometimes they will do things that you will be angry. You feel like, is she really into you? Is she really dating you? But inside her, she really have a genuine love. She is doing all this out of ignorance and stubbornness. So a lady may be dating you with her heart, with genuine love for you, but because of ignorance, she will be doing things that will make you angry. So this may be the reasons why a lady, a pretty lady, is dating you, and that is what I want to disclose in this video. I hope you get value from watching this video. Please support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a good video like this, you will get notified of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.